version of the vehicle.
Okay, recently launched. What are features are getting?
Sir, it has level 3 ADAS.
Yeah.
It comes with 3 premium segments.
Is it
sir.
open?
No, disclosed.
Okay. Okay. What are
It's a
features?
standard version,
Okay.
VIP version, and executive version. There are 3 versions.
Okay.
And then this is the executive version, which is the top-end model of
Top
the
model.
vehicle.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And this comes with the same like
Yes.
Camzac motor.
Yes, yes.
HEV motor.
Yes, yes.
What is in the?
Sir, all the hybrid vehicles comes with HEV badging.
Okay.
itself.
The same Camzac motor.
Yes, yes, yes,
And
absolutely.
all three, what are difference are there?
Sir, all the 3, just the interior comfort, sir.
Okay.
The based on comforts and based on driving, you can choose it.
Okay.
Some people doesn't like
Okay.
full of features.
Okay.
Some people doesn't like
Okay.
interiors.
Okay. Like in current market, the total we have money of the Indian Honda new Wander market, you have the computer, another one the Kia, the big car we have, one computer bought to the nine engine and this one, what is the
Sir, MC comes with this. End of the day, people go with
Okay. The country is basically it's a status card, status card, we can say. So now we don't change the showroom, after I'm saying auto show we are changing this card. That's what you can say, no?
Yeah.
Friend, what are changes are there? Old and new welfare, what are changes are there? In the old welfare and this welfare, what are have been changed currently?
Sir, completely body line is different.
Okay.
Size is different.
Okay.
Interiors are different.
Okay. And you are another somewhere brand is Lexus also has a
Sister brother concept.
Lexus also has the same brand. That one is what difference are there features?
Sir, Lexus is a sister brother concept.
Okay.
Just the design is different, sir.
Okay. That's the current price you're telling, no?
That is the benefit.
15 lakh rupees is benefit. What's the current price you told me?
1.56 CR.
That's for the top end. Other two variants, what's the price?
It stands for 1.56 CR, goes up to 1.78 CR.
What's the bill of the size of the?
Sir, 90
inches. Bigger than Fortuner type, huh?
No. Same as Fortuner.
Fortuner, because we do the bigger it looks, huh?
No. It look like bigger.
Okay. This is the executive class chair you are getting inside. Yes, there's only reclining chair you are getting. Lexus also comes same features only, no? Almost. Okay. MG 9 we can compare this car, no? Recently not MG9. Okay. So what's the Lexus price? Lexus also has the same price, no?
2.3 CR.
Okay. A little bit costly, you are telling. Compared to the Toyota, Lexus bit costly. Okay. What's the waiting period of this car currently?
Sir, 1 year.
1 year.
It's a make in order. After
Okay.
you place the order, we have to wait for minimum 6 to 1 year.
Okay. This and the land cruiser also.
Yes.
Both are waiting for a car only. Both are almost 1 year only.
Yes.
What's the land cruiser price currently?
2.5 CR.
2.5 CR. Okay. Everything should come from Japan only, no?
Yes.
This comes from Japan only.
Yes.
Okay. Other cars have been manufactured in the British country. It's the welfare and
Welfare Camry. sir.
Camry, this new Camry and
LC, Land Cruiser.
LC 300, no? 300 comes from Japan, you're telling.
Yes.
Okay. So, to be very nice to see the welfare.
Thank you, sir.
Only welfare. Normally in showroom I asked they don't give a display, they're telling. That's very nice to see. With one in a piece something to that.
Yes.
Which rocket sir, Yash has the same thing only, no?
Yes, Yash has same.
Yes, sir.
And even Risham Shetty has.
He has the older version, no? Yash is the older version also, no?
Yes, sir.
And this is the new version, no?
Yes.
Okay. Mainly people buy for the status and comfort seat.
Yes.
The way seat also. It's same like a sofa like seat feature. That's a feature. This is the shuffle car basically.
Yes, sir.
But don't get no.
Sir, it's a 175 mm ground clearance.
Okay.
It's a self-adjusting suspension, sir.
Okay. Same like a bus you're telling us. Same like a wall bus, air
Yes,
suspension.
yes.
Yes, it's a button or
No, it is an automatic.
automatic. What we say in the 9W AC bus, but
Automatic.
almost. And I'm company, it only lift by itself button. And it comes down to listen.
Yes.
Same like a wall bus, we can
Yes.
almost. Okay, nice feature. What are the accessories are getting this car? Accessories? The
Sir,
company-
accessories, there are no certain accessories for this car, sir.
Okay.
Because if you load the accessories, it looks awkward.
Okay.
You can leave as it is.
Okay. Yeah. It's bit little bit big, no?
Yes.
Long and wide. What's the length of the vehicle? Little bit looks very long. It will look.
Yes, sir. It is a 5120 length,
length. Okay. Okay.
bigger than the high cross and Fortuner.
Okay. The old Welfare it is little bit
Bigger. Not little bit. It is 2 times bigger.
Two times bigger now. New Welfare is bigger than the old Welfare.
Yes.
Actually. And much feature loaded now.
Yes.
You can say almost. Okay. Well, what we see, they sell it comes as a stock. What customer will get everything to
Yes.
get that. Okay. It's a five-star hotel on wheels.
Yes.
People call it a security
Yes.
design. Okay. Under the Lexus also, you also take booking, no? The people want to buy Lexus
Sir, if
car.
you are going for Lexus, you have to go and take it in the Lexus itself.
Okay.
As it is a sister brother company.
Okay, okay.
So if you are going for Toyota, you have to come with us.
Okay. No, nice. I like to see very nice.
Yeah, sir.
Uh,
You can have a seat.
it comes with the phone, no?
Sir?
It comes with phone. It comes, huh? What is
No, it's a module. It's a module. It's not a
module.
phone.
Okay, so module. That
Just
only
the interior module.
This is 7-seater car, no? 7-seater car hotel. It's all three captains are getting.
Yes.
Okay. There is a sunroof in there, no?
Yes, sir.
There is a sunroof. It's a side, no?
Yes, side is not in the center.
Okay, nice. Same like what is it in the first class LS Lex you are getting in this? Okay, nice. What is the maintenance cost for this? If you remember, what is the maintenance cost for this car? Car to maintain
Sir,
the which car?
maintenance cost up to it will come based on your driving, sir.
Okay. Because it's not so easy to maintain this huge car now.
No, sir.
Huge
Toyota
mammoth
and
car.
all, as it is a hybrid vehicle,
Okay.
it will cost around 25,000 to 30,000 for maintenance.
Because it looks like a mammoth car now.
Yes.
That's why maintenance will be higher side compared to any other other cars now. Camry, this is a maintenance car only.
Both
No?
are both also.
It's locked. Okay. What is it in Camry? Same case other. Same like Camry. Okay, thank you.